Oof! This gas had to get over now.
No worries. I will manage.
You won't order out. So today, you cook in office.
Want to order lunch?
I'm making it in my new Futura Smart Pot. This works on an app. Today, we are making veg pulao. The app gives step-by-step instructions.
Heat oil for 4 minutes. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add carrots, beans, peas. Add rice. Sauté and fry for 3 minutes till rice turn over. Add 720 milliliters water and salt as per taste. Close the smart pot.
Oh, meeting.
And pulao?
I will continue from there.
Wow. Boss, evening snacks?
Download the Futura Smart Pot app. Do it yourself.
Now we can cook food at home, office, picnic, anytime, anywhere. That too, without gas. No gas, no problem.